Hey you guys, welcome back. Shock, horror, surprise, I'm driving my car today. For once, I thought it was time to get out and make a video about driving. Well, it's kind of about driving. This morning I'm driving over to the northwestern sides of the Twin Cities, where I'm going to an annual car show that's I think just called Oktoberfest. It's at a complex called the AutoMotorPlex, I think it is, in a place called Medina. There's going to be lots of cool cars, so let's go check it out. Wow, you guys, that was really awesome. Really nice break from just hanging out in my garage with my 911. I think my favorite car that I saw there was either the vintage orange 911T or the chalk colored GT3 Touring. Oh my God, that was amazing. Deviated red stitching on the interior, carbon fiber bucket seats. It was just, I think that's the first time I've seen one in real life. Besides, you know, drooling over the website every time I build one. So absolutely, got to see some friends, got to meet a few people, had a really great morning. So this was actually embarrassingly my first car event since coming back from Tail of the Dragon. So I've got to make sure I make time for another couple before the winter season arrives. So as ever, thanks for checking out my videos. Like, subscribe. If you saw any cars that you liked in the videos, let me know. Hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.